Today at Mullin Machinery we have a closing model 1250 Magnum. This lathe is a 25-inch swing, 118 inches between centers, 4 5/8 spindle hole, complete with a taper attachment, Aloris DA tool post and some holders, 4 steady rests, 2 large and 2 of the largest. One has roller bearings, one has brass jaws. Of the large ones, one has brass, one has roller bearings. Morse taper number 6 tailstock with a Jacobs 1-inch super chuck. Tailstock sleeve adapter and another live center. We have the follow rest in the pan. The machine has rapids on it. You see its threading dial. Has a nice large, I forget the dimensions of this, about a 20-inch Swedish-made 4-jaw chuck. Newall 2-axis digital readout. This has speeds from 6.3 to 1250 RPM. I'm not going to run it that fast, so 400's enough for me. There's your large spindle hole. We have the door off the electric panel right now and made it easier for us to work in there, but we'll put the door back on. With the door sitting on the side. This machine only has a half-height backsplash. That apparently is the way they were shipped from the factory. There's your electric brake and clutch. Your taper attachment. All original paint on this machine. This machine we have a deposit on, so it's really sold. We're making it for the video for the customer just to show them everything before it goes out. Here's the wiring diagrams. Alright, we'll give you a quick rundown. We have it on 200 RPM right now. So out. On the main motor. The oil come up in the head, it's pumping. The oil does not come up, shut the machine off and reverse your leads. It's turning the wrong way. You come over here to the carriage. Once the light comes on, then you know it's ready to go. Hit the forward. And here's your carriage feeds. See it's feeding toward the head. Digital readout's working. This is rapid. If you want to wrap it, you leave it in the direction, push the button. Feeding toward the tailstock. Rapid. Cross feed. Feeding in. What is that readout there? The readout's carrying. You can wrap it in on that. Feeding out. Wrap it out. Easy stop. Want to shift it, it's not shifting, you can just hit the unlock and rock the chuck by hand. Get right from this speed. I think I have it in. That's 12.5 RPM. Go in, just hit the unlock to the clutch, rock the chuck by hand, shift up to your speed. There we go, 400 RPM. We just have the lead screw support sitting over here, but that really belongs down that end. Further out to support the screws, and you're out running it. verse. The stop button on the carriage works. So there's tooling that's on the other side of the shop. We have a faceplate for it. We have another live center. We have a bunch of toolblocks for the DA Toolpost. See, the Toolpost is like new. This machine was never really used. Came out of a large power plant. You can check out other machines on our website. Go to mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for tool room and fabricating needs. We stock quite a few press brakes, shears, plate rolls, angle rolls, punch presses, iron workers, lathes, mills, surface grinders, drill presses, anything for metal work and a little bit of general factory support. Again, that's mullinmachinery.com, MULLIN machinery.com.